I got another 4th of July recipe for y'all that's real simple, real easy. It's going to be great to tote to if you've invited to a friend's house for a cookout or something and you're asked to bring a dish. This is perfect for that. And like I said, easy. So I've got my elbow macaroni cooked, and I don't like it al dente. I mean, I like for it to be soft in my mouth. So I'm going to add our mayonnaise. Now, when I make salads, any kind of macaroni salad, tuna fish salad, any kind of salad, I'll use dill pickles, but this one calls for sweet pickles, sweet dill relish. So that goes in next. And then a little pimento, straight from the jar, little onion, a little slivers of fresh carrots, a little diced fresh celery, and some chopped boiled eggs. I love macaroni salad. I just love it. In fact, I made the other day, I had some little shrimp left, and I had cooked some macaroni for something, and I made a macaroni shrimp salad that was so good. It was so good. So I'm just going to stir these ingredients up, mix those up real good. Just put a little pepper in there. And after we get everything together, I'll test it for salt, to see if we need salt, or a little bit more mayonnaise even. Teresa, you know, I think I'm gonna want a little bit more mayonnaise.
Imagine that.
What you think? Because I didn't add all the macaroni.
Look, I always have it ready for you. Because I know.
You know me.
Mm-hmm.
You know me. Well, you know what? You know me so well, and you hadn't said a thing
About
my fingernails.
I saw them.
You saw them, but you didn't say nothing about them. You know, I know. I went to the wedding in Albany. Bubbles' granddaughter's wedding.
And you got fancy
this
pie.
weekend. And I try real hard to be decent. These are press-ons. They are press-ons. Takes like 5 minutes to put them on.
Huh.
And I love them. I've never been crazy about long fingernails, though, for if you worked in a kitchen.
Yeah, that's hard.
But I decided for the wedding that I'd do it. So, don't hesitate to add more mayonnaise if you like. And I did. I added more mayonnaise, and I didn't use all my macaroni noodles. It's good. I'm going to add just a little salt, a little pepper, and then I'm going to add some coarse ground pepper. And potato salad, macaroni salad, pimento cheese. You're going to find that after it goes into the refrigerator for a day, it's going to soak up any moisture, and you're probably going to need to add more mayonnaise to it. So that's just my tip to y'all. These pots get heavy, and These are not real heavy, but they get heavy when I'm holding them with one hand. Now you can garnish this with a little paprika, a little sliced boiled eggs, a little parsley, whatever you would like. And it'll be delicious for that 4th of July cookout. It's good. The dill pickle gives it a totally different flavor. I mean the sweet dill pickles. But you can use the sweet or the dill, whichever you want. So happy 4th of July, y'all. Yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.